Hi everyone, welcome back to Battle of the Stitches. If you're new here, I'm Heather from Strings and Threads, and every month we explore one crochet stitch together and see what amazing projects can come from it. Battle of the Stitches is a monthly crochet collaboration where we all work the same stitch for the entire month and then turn it into completely different projects. I'm co-hosting this series with Teresa from Critters Crochet, and each month we are joined with up to 2 other content creators, which makes this fun to watch and participate in. For Battle of the Stitches, we're working straight through this book, 200 Crochet Stitches by Tracy Todd Hunter, in order. For January, we are working stitch number 26, the turtle stitch. And for February, we're moving on to stitch number 27, crosshatch shells. This keeps the series organized, fair, and really exciting because we're all discovering these stitches together as we go. The crosshatch shells stitch has a lot of visual interest. I'm excited to see what kind of projects will be made using this stitch. If you are a crochet content creator, we would absolutely love to have you join us for a month. Each month, Teresa and I invite up to 2 content creators to join us for that month. We will let you know ahead of time which stitch we will be using, so you'll have plenty of time to plan, design, and film your series. If that sounds like something you'd enjoy, check out my description to see how to get in touch with us, or you can get in touch with us through our Facebook group, Battle of the Stitches. If you're not a content creator, you can still participate. We encourage you to design your own project with the Stitch of the Month and then share it with us on our Facebook group. Everyone who participates is eligible for quarterly prize drawings that we have. Later this month, I'll be sharing my design and a full tutorial of what I made with the crosshatch shell stitch, along with sneak peeks, voting, and a live where we reveal the winner. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any of the February Battle of the Stitches videos. And head over to the Facebook group where you can stitch along with us. I'll see you next Wednesday for more Battle of the Stitches.